Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c colon /. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.